Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to use the some of the functions which are available in Excel. So here this is the data for sales analysis, and I need some of the additional details which is missing here. So I want to identify that, like how we can enter, how we can identify that detail. So in this, I was just in this line, I need the month name of like three letters from the each month and the year from the same month. So like I would say that, like I need in this column as month and next column as year. I entered here. So here if I go and check, it's almost 8,000 plus line items, and it is, if you want to enter manually, it will take a lot of time. To avoid that, like we have to use the some of the functions which are available in Excel. So here we need to use, in this scenario, let's use text function. We have a date here, and select that date, and then open the inverted comma, enter three letters, three digits from the month name. I'll close it and I'll close the bracket. So here you can see month name arrived. Similar way, we want year which is available in the order date. So for that is equal to text, select the date, and then open the inverted comma, enter YYY, and then close the inverted comma, then close the bracket. So here you can see year has been arrived. So this is how we can utilize available functions in Excel to make our work easier. So thank you for watching my video. For such videos, please do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.